This is Unit 2, Session 7 for Grade 4 Writing. Today we're going to return to boot camp. If you remember, in our very beginning when we started this unit, we used boxes and bullets. We came up with an opinion or a claim or thesis. I love ice cream. And we came up with 3 reasons. In each reason, we repeated the thesis and used the word because. Then we moved on to the essay frame. Remember to write it strong and write it long. Okay, our first paragraph stated our thesis and all 3 reasons. Then each reason became a new paragraph. Remember, that is where you indent. You always repeat the thesis statement in each paragraph. You give the reason and then you give specific pieces of evidence. Okay, let's look at my I love ice cream. Here I have I love ice cream. I have my 3 reasons. I love ice cream because you can add different toppings. I love ice cream because there are so many flavors. And I love ice cream because it's refreshing on a hot day. So I've started to put pieces of evidence to support my reasons. If we look at my first reasons, you can add different toppings. My first piece of evidence is at the ice cream store near my house, there are over 20 kinds of toppings. Okay, much more specific, 20 different kinds. Another piece of evidence, I'm going to tell a little bit of a story right here for a piece of evidence, and that's something that you can do. I remember when my friend and I went to get ice cream, we stood for a long time at the counter. There were so many toppings we couldn't decide what we wanted most. Kay said, we'll just come back again soon so we can try out other toppings. When I move on to the next reason, there are so many flavors. I went and I did a little research, and I'm going to tell where I got that research. On the Ben & Jerry's website, there are close to 50 flavors of ice cream listed. And my last reason is it's refreshing on a hot day. And here I'm telling a little bit of a personal mini story. I remember the time last summer when it was so hot, I felt like I was dying. It was too hot to read or go to the park or think. So I ran to the store and bought some ice cream. When I tasted it, I said, all of a sudden I felt the coolness in my throat and I wasn't hot anymore. All right, boys and girls, you need to be working on developing your essays today. All right, today is going to be a time when you should be working within the essay frame, and you need to be checking yourself to make sure that you are developing your essay using the boxes and bullets format that we have been using. All right, remember, write strong and write long.